I've just pressed this button on this new Lightboard I'm developing. It's an engaging tool that I can use to explain complicated concepts, like that the center of mass of an object is the mass-weighted average of the positions of an object, and I can show them computer graphics here. If I make a black background, it shows up as transparent, so I can do things like draw on that graphic by looking into a confidence monitor as I'm doing that. It's actually, with some practice, it's not so difficult. Each of these slices has a width, delta y, and what's changing from slice to slice are different y values. This one I'm going to call y4, this one I'm going to call y2, and so on. Because I present some very complicated math, and I think it's more helpful for students to have a more engaging presentation of that math. The overriding concept for me is immediacy. There's less between my students and I. There's more of a human connection. That's the concept behind this Lightboard. So I can cycle through my PowerPoint slides as needed, and I can press buttons to change the position, how big it is, or have it only me. Or if I want to take a break and erase my board, I can do this, disappear while I do my erasing. The erasing part isn't as engaging. So that's for recording. It records to a USB drive, very simple. It's actually very compact too, easy to upload. But it also can be used for Zoom. I can just plug it into my computer just like a webcam. And if I'm going to do that, I'm going to switch pages here to my streaming mode. If I'm going to do that, I can have intro screens. Before my stream starts, when I'm still getting my notes together, I'd like students to mingle among themselves, and I'll play some music, let them adjust their audio levels so their headphones don't blow up their ears when I come on. When they're remote, I would like them talking with each other. So I like to show this screen where I encourage them to use the annotate feature. Maybe I could put on some games like Pen the Pig or Tic-Tac-Toe, just something to establish a sense of community. And when I am presenting, I can have an intro screen or something to let them know, hey, class is starting. Welcome, students. Today's lesson is going to be blah, blah, blah. And as I'm talking, I can show my graphics and stuff. I can press record if I want to record to USB separately from Zoom. Then I'd have a little thing on a thumb drive, easy to edit later if I want to, or not. If I need to take a break or I have some kind of intermission type screen, I can display that or turn it off. So I think that's pretty fun. The major advantage of this in Zoom is this comes in just like a webcam. It's not a screen share, so I can share my PowerPoint and me in one recording that can be viewed on a small screen. Students can see this later on their phone, and it's optimized for a small screen. That's the other reason that I think a Lightboard is very important. Efficient use of small screens, in addition to a sense of immediacy. So I hope those of you on campus here at Southern, give this a try. Make a PowerPoint with a black background. You don't have to be drawing. You can just show your PowerPoint and talk to the screen. You don't even need to use ink, but if you wanted to, you could easily just draw on your PowerPoint, then erase it and keep going. So I hope that you will find this useful. Come give it a try sometime. Now that I'm done, I'm going to press my outro button. It will show up a graphic, stop the recording. I'll take out my USB and go home.